YouTube? Khallid AKA Smoove Flipper. Welcome back to my channel. It is currently 8:45 right now. I'm just taking my dog out to use the bathroom and just decided to vlog for you guys. So I'm not really sure what's going to happen today. I don't have anything planned. I did get some leads last night when I woke up. I woke up to about maybe 10-15 leads. Made a deal with a lady who has an iPad Pro. This is the cellular version, 64 gigs. It should be unlocked, so picking that up for 300 bucks. Should be a good pickup. I see them selling on eBay for about 550, so not a bad deal. But just wanted to take you guys with me on whatever happens today. So I'll see you guys when I make it to Starbucks. Guys, it is really cold in Idaho right now. 35 degrees. This is probably the coldest it's ever been this year. So what that means, I'm gonna have to start wearing sweats, which I hate. But it is what it is, guys. 35 degrees. I wish I was back in San Diego. All right, guys. So I just picked up the iPad. Here it is. It is the iPad 12.9. This is actually the second gen, and it is unlocked. I checked everything. Everything works. The lady was a repeat customer. I remember buying her phone maybe about 4 or 5 months ago, and this iPad's in great condition. No cracks. Made sure everything worked. Touch ID, all that good stuff. No iCloud on there. Ended up buying it again for 300 bucks. I think if I add accessories and a case that she gave me this case as well. I probably can get like 6 out of it. So I'm probably gonna list it for $14.95 on eBay. Hopefully after fees and all that, that's if I would guess maybe like 180 to 200 bucks profit already. And then she ended up bringing a this is a Samsung Galaxy A6. Now I've never bought this phone before. I don't even go after phones like this, but I offered her 60 bucks for it. She took it. The phone's in good condition, clean IMEI, all that good stuff. And I just want to have it just as like a budget phone for people. So I get a lot of people asking me, hey, do you have a anything at 100 bucks, 120 bucks? I never really do, because I only target 7 pluses and up, or S8s and up. So I don't have anything for budget wise as far as phones. So probably gonna get this unlocked for like 10 bucks, and that's 70 bucks invested. I'll probably sell it to somebody for 120, make 50 bucks. But it's it was there, might as well take advantage of it and make the deal. So those two so far. It is about 10 o'clock right now. Gotta go hit the gym, and then after that I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. So I'll see you guys after I hit the gym. What's going on, everybody? It is currently 2:15. I'm at the post office. Had to drop off a package. Ended up selling an S8 for $285 on eBay. I bought this phone for $170. This phone actually took like 2 weeks to sell. I don't know what was going on, but finally got it sold. Have to drop off some letters as well, and I have a package to pick up. So this package basically was a return on eBay. So ended up getting a crappy eBay return. The buyer basically said the phone wasn't new. I ended up selling a brand new S9 on eBay. And when I did it, I set up the phone. When I was checking the phone, I set it up, installed all the pre-installed apps, the other apps. When you're dealing with Samsung, you have those apps you can install. So I just did that. The plastic was still in the phone. All the accessories were brand new, and they received the phone, and they didn't think the phone was new because of the pre-installed apps on there, or the apps that did install after the activation portion of the screen. So kind of fought back and forth with this guy, but he wasn't budging at all. He wanted to return it for a refund, and the package actually came yesterday, but I wasn't home to sign for it. So I got to pick it back up at the post office, and after that, I'm not sure what else I'm going to be doing. I do have a pickup later for two 10s, iPhone 10s, sorry. 256 gig repeat customer. This guy has been doing pretty good as far as, you know, consistency and stuff like that. So he's helped me out a lot. And yeah, I should be receiving another package in the mail soon as well, around 4-ish. So I'm gonna do that, get home and be there to sign for that package. So until then, I'll see you guys in the next clip. What's up, guys? It is currently 5 o'clock. I got the package back from the buyer on eBay. The S9 right here. I'm gonna check it on camera for you guys, just to give you guys a tip. So if you're dealing with eBay returns, it's always important you check the phone before you do the refund. So I know it's kind of common sense, but some people don't do it. So make sure you check the phone, check the accessories, everything you sent with the phone. Make sure it's in the same condition as when you sent it. So if the phone had, you know, it wasn't cracked or no issues at all, and you get the phone back and it is cracked, then you don't have to give them a refund. But you just always make sure you check. So the phone is good to go. You guys can see it is an S9, obviously. I mean, it was new when I sold it. The plastic was still on it. The plastic is not on it. But I'm not gonna, you know, hassle with this. I'm just gonna give this guy's refund just to get over with, because he was a pain to deal with. But when you're just doing returns, it's always important that you check everything. Sometimes, you know, the buyers are gonna haggle you, say, hey, the phone's been delivered. When am I gonna get my refund? If you haven't checked the device yet, then just wait. You know, you have a couple of days to refund the buyer once the phone is delivered. So there's no rush. Just check it. Make sure everything is good to go, and you should be good to go. So I'm going to relist this back on eBay right now, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next clip. All right, guys, so I'm back home. All right, guys, so I wanted to show you guys this mailing that I just got. So I wanted to show you guys the phone and all that, and kind of talk to you guys a little bit about the process. So a lot of you guys have been asking me about, sorry if it's loud, I know the mic is picking up all that. But anyways, I know you guys have been asking me about mail-ins, pretty much what they are, how do you go about it. Basically, it's just people mailing you phones. So instead of you doing the whole picking up phones locally in your area, you could still do that. I still do that. But you're also, you know, sourcing more phones through Mercari, through eBay, through the OfferUp shipping feature, any place where you can have them ship it to you. So I've been doing this quite some time now as far as this whole business model, but I do want to talk to you guys about how it's kind of taking over the whole model that I've been doing. So I still obviously buy and sell locally. I do a lot of buying locally, but I've mainly been dealing with repeat customers when it comes to local. So people coming back with more phones, mostly new, open box, cracked iPhone, stuff like that. I usually go through, you know, repeat customers. So the mail-in process has just taken over all that, which is making it a lot easier for me, because I don't have to drive around or wait for people to be able to meet. You know, every single day, maybe for the past 2 months, I pretty much come home to a phone. So whether it's a phone or 2 phones, yesterday I ended up getting 3 phones yesterday. The day before that I had 2. So, you know, you can source phones well when you're doing these mail-ins. Again, I do apologize. I know it's loud for the microphone picking up all this stuff. I know it is. I'm sorry. And voila. So we have a iPhone 10s, 64 gig. This is new open box. It still has obviously the plastic on it. You guys can see that. Just check real quick. Everything is there. This is a repeat customer that I deal with, and yeah, we're good to go. So the mail-in process, I think, is going to take over phone flipping. I just wanted to give you guys that. I'm gonna make a video about that as well, but just wanted to give you guys that for the vlog. I don't know what else I have planned. We'll see. You know, we'll kind of wing it here, but it is currently 5:25, and I'm just gonna hang out and see what's next. So until then, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hey, what's up, guys? So it is currently 6 o'clock, and I just got a message from one of my repeat customers. This guy has 2 iPhone XS's, AT&T 256 gigs sealed, paying him $1,400 for them. For both, should make about $350 after you know, shipping and all that. So keep in mind, guys, with sealed phones, you're not gonna make that much money because people want top dollar, and you have to pay top dollar to be able to compete with those who are buying, you know, new wholesale. So I'm gonna go there and meet him at Starbucks really quick. I actually have another lady who has a Verizon locked iPhone X that shows selling for $600. So I'm gonna try to set that up to where I can meet with her after I meet with this guy. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. And I'll see you guys in the next clip. What's going on, guys? So just picked up these phones, the 2 iPhone XS. They're both sealed. You guys can see 1 and 2. They're both sealed up. Paid $1,400 for both. Should make $160 a phone. So that's what, $320 profit. Not bad for these 2 phones. The lady for the iPhone X actually messaged me back. She said she has to go to her daughter's Halloween concert, and then after that she'll meet me. So that's probably going to be around 9:30, 10. I'd say 9:30, but I'm probably going to go back home, list some more phones. I need to list some phones. I need to create some invoices to my buyers. What else? And then I do have to go hit the gym in like an hour. So I'm gonna probably do all that, and then after I hit the gym, I'm probably gonna see you guys then. So stay tuned for the next clip. All right, so change of plans. I gotta go meet somebody for 2 brand new iPhone 8s at Starbucks down the street, about 10 minutes away. I was supposed to meet this guy either later tonight or early morning tomorrow, but he's trying to meet tonight. He says he needs cash right now, so I'm gonna do that. So I'm not gonna go home. I'm still in the same parking lot. Right after I ended the last clip, he messaged me, so I'm gonna do that. Hopefully I might just stay over there, you know, for like 10-15 minutes after the transaction, just because I don't want to drive all the way back over here and then I have to meet somebody over there again. So yeah, I'm gonna pick those phones up, show you guys the pickups, all that, show you guys the phones, and then I'll see you guys after that. So stay tuned for the pickup, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. All right, guys, so I'm back home. Just picked up the 2 iPhone 8s. I couldn't record in my car. It was just too dark outside, but I want to show you guys the actual pickup. So 2 iPhone 8s, new open box, still has the plastic on them. Paid $300 a piece. Again, you see the plastic. You guys can see that, the plastic. Paid $300 a piece. Should get $400 for each. So quick $200 profit. Not bad for, you know, 15 minutes of work. But there you guys go. But just wanted to show you guys that, you know, after I picked it up. I couldn't do it in the car. It was just too dark. But anyways, I'm going to head to the gym right now. And then hopefully this lady messages me back. I got one last pickup for the night. An iPhone X Verizon locked for $600. This is brand new sealed. So I think Verizon's having this little deal where they are doing a buy one get one free or some kind of deal. People are taking advantage of that by getting the phone, getting the extra one, and selling it. So that's pretty much what I think what she's doing. So I'm going to just sell this one to my buyer. I'm not even gonna take any chances as far as trying to sell it to somebody else. All those probably financed, but it'll still work, but I just don't want to take that chance. Anyways, I'm gonna head to the gym right now, and then I'll see you guys after that, so stay tuned. What's up, guys? It is currently 10:20 right now. I just got back home from the pickup. I picked up this iPhone X, and the lady also threw in a Apple Watch that she brought. She messaged me, do I buy Apple Watches? I was driving. I told her just bring it, and ended up buying that as well. So all the total devices that we bought today, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 devices today. I'm not sure the total profit or the estimated profit right now. I'll have it on the screen somewhere, but just gonna give a little recap of the day. Today was a great day. I cannot complain. You know, bought tons of phones, made a lot of money. Just want to give the recap. So this morning, remember, I bought this iPad 12.9. This is the Wi-Fi and cellular version, 64 gigs. And I ended up buying the Samsung A6 from the same lady. She brought it as well. Paid $60 for this and paid $300 for this. Later on, ended up picking up 2 sealed iPhone XS's. These right here. Paid $700 a piece for them. These are the 256 gig and the AT&T finance for AT&T. Obviously, and I'm just gonna sell them to my buyer. Later on, I ended up getting the mail-in for the iPhone XS 64 gigs for Sprint. This is open box, you guys can see. Bam, the phone's there. Plastic on it still. And later on in the day, I picked up these 2 iPhone 8s. I don't think I took you on that trip, but here they are. Bam. And the next one is right here. And we have 2. Picked up those, and then I went to go work out. While I was working out on the bike, lady messaged me, who messaged me earlier about the iPhone X, saying she was finished and she could meet up. So I had to hurry home, get cash, then drive about 15 minutes to McDonald's that I met her at. She showed up with the sealed iPhone X for Verizon. It's Verizon locked. Okay, I paid $600 for that. And then she threw in the Apple Watch Series 3. This is the 44mm, and it is also cellular and GPS. So it's Verizon. Good to go. I checked everything on it. It was not paired to any devices. And that is it. Again, picked up a lot of good phones today. You know, usually, well, this week was good, but it was more scattered. I guess when I start to record, I get more phones for some reason. So I'm going to start doing more vlogs so I can pick up more phones. Guys, if you do enjoy these vlogs, just let me know in the comments, or just show your appreciation by liking the video and just helping the channel grow. If you have any more suggestions on videos you want me to do, just comment them down below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.